Good evening and welcome to Earth News. I'm Boogie Douglas, and tonight we're going to be turning our focus to a growing environmental crisis that's invisible to many but devastating to millions. Food deserts. A food desert is a geographic area, urban or rural, where residents lack access to fresh, healthy, and affordable food. These communities often have no nearby supermarkets or grocery stores, and rely instead on fast food restaurants or convenience stores that mainly offer ultra-processed, high-calorie, and low-nutrient items. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, over 19 million Americans live in food deserts. That's 1 in every 16 people in the U.S., including children and the elderly, living without access to the most basic nutritional resources.
I'm Harry Sachs.
Now, let's talk about who's most affected by food deserts. These areas are overwhelmingly located in low-income neighborhoods and communities of color, places shaped by years of racial segregation, underinvestment, and discriminatory practices like redlining. Many people in these neighborhoods don't have a car or reliable public transit, and even if they could get to a grocery store, food prices are often higher in poor areas, making fresh produce a luxury rather than a necessity. These food deserts create what experts call nutritional redlining, a system that denies certain communities the ability to eat healthy, live well, and thrive. This results in higher rates of diet-related diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. It's not just a public health issue. It's a matter of environmental justice. Every person, regardless of income or race, deserves access to healthy food.
I'm Dylan Singh. Food deserts aren't just bad for people, they're bad for the planet. When communities rely on processed foods, it increases the demand for factory farming, excessive packaging, and long-distance food transportation. This contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, especially methane and carbon dioxide. Food deserts also generate more plastic waste, since convenience store items tend to come in single-use packaging. And here's something that's often overlooked. Neighborhoods in food deserts tend to lack green spaces and trees, which makes them more vulnerable to extreme heat and poor air quality. These areas are known as urban heat islands, which trap heat and pollution, affecting both the climate and the health of the people living there. In short, food deserts aren't isolated problems. They are connected to much larger environmental and societal systems that need urgent reform.
I'm Riley Chen. The good news? Communities are taking action. Cities like Baltimore and Los Angeles are funding mobile produce markets and urban farms, bringing healthy food directly to underserved areas. Nonprofits like the Wholesome Wave and the Food Trust help families use SNAP benefits at farmers markets, increasing access to real food. And young people are stepping up, starting school gardens, organizing food drives, and demanding policy change. This is what environmental justice looks like. Solutions led by the people, and for the planet.
Food is not just a commodity, it's a human right.
Food deserts are about more than just distance from a grocery store.
They represent the intersection of inequality, health, and the environment.
Environmental justice means access, opportunity, and the right to thrive.
We're signing off, but the fight for food justice continues.